Welcome. Today we're gonna make a nice brunch with mini sizzlers, Schneiders. And this is how they look like. And we're gonna have home fries, eggs, and toast. And we're gonna put them in our air fryer. I put it to warm up. So we're putting it at 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit. Set them in the container here in your air fryer. You don't put nothing. And put them back. And keep an eye on them. There's no time limit. You're gonna turn them once in a while until they're nice and golden. Peel and cut your potatoes and wash them. You can cut them any way you want. These were small potatoes. And cook them halfway. So let's check. Oh yeah, time for flipping. See, nice and golden. So just flip them all. I'll flip one more shot. Let the water run, and then we're gonna strain them. Potatoes are getting strained, and let's check the sausages. Sausage is almost ready. About a minute more. Sausages are ready. Warm up your frying pan and put some butter in it. Put your potatoes in. Salt and pepper to your taste. What's that, sir? Onion powder. Saute them nice until they have a nice color. Potatoes are ready, they have a nice color. We're doing the eggs now, a little bit of butter. Salt and pepper to your taste. And you cook them how you like. I'm having mine medium. Over medium. See, mine is medium. I like to dip my toast in there. Now we're gonna fix everything. And there's my brunch. Enjoy. Always eat it in good health. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless.